Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of including patient and client attributes on sample labels. As a first step, navigate to the Application Settings module, switch to Label Design, and then to the Label or Printer List tab. Click Add Label or Printer to create a new label. Now, select a printer, enter a label name, and select a unit. Select Yes to include label borders. You can choose to print labels row-wise or column-wise. Define the actual label dimensions that include the dimensions of the primary and the secondary label. Now, specify the printable label dimensions of the primary label. To define the printable label dimensions of the secondary label, tick the box, select an orientation, define a margin between primary and secondary labels, and then specify the diameter or width of the label. Press Save to save the settings. Now switch to the Label Template tab. Select Samples from the drop-down menu, and then a sample type. Now press Add. Specify a template name, and then select a printer type from the drop-down menu. Tick Include Barcode to include a barcode on each sample label, and then specify the width and height of the barcode. Select your preferred orientation for barcodes and attributes. Tick Include Label Title and specify a title. You can choose your preferred orientation for the label title. Tick Include Attributes to include attributes on the labels. Tick Show Attribute Title to display attribute titles on the label. Tick Gapping Between Attributes to include a space between the attributes. Tick Attribute Word Wrap to wrap the text of attributes when required. You can choose to align attributes at the top or middle of the label. Now select the sample attributes you would like to see on the sample label. Tick Include Patient Attributes and select the patient attributes you would like to see on the label. Similarly, tick Include Client Attributes and select your preferred client attributes. You can select the font size and the font label of your choice. Furthermore, you can choose to display the attribute name and attribute values in bold. Press Label Preview to see a preview of the label. Now select a label name from the drop-down menu and then press Save to save the settings. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlimbs.com or call 1-302-789-0447.